Okay, question 5. We have binomial expansion with a fractional power. So, find the first 3 terms in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion of 1 plus 6x to the power of 1/3. Now, we are given the formula for this. It's on the screen. The one that we want is 1 plus x to the power of n. So, using the formula, we're going to get 1 add n times 6x, so 1/3 times 6x, add 1/3 times 1, a third minus 1, so that's 1/3 times minus 2/3 times 6x squared. Now on the bottom, for some reason they decide to write it as 1.2. It means 1 times 2. So we got all of that over 1 times 2. Okay, so we got 1. 1/3 times 6 is 2. So we got 1 add 2x. Next, we've got, 1/3 times minus 2/3 is minus 2/9. So we get minus 2/9 times 6x all squared, so that's 36x squared. And that's all over 2. So we've got 1 add 2x. Okay, we got minus. So 2/9 of 36 is 8. So we got 8x squared over 2. So we got minus 4x squared. So there are our first 3 terms. Cool. Okay, part B wants us to use our answer from part A to approximate the cube root of 1.18 to 4 decimal places. So the expansion that we approximated was 1 plus 6x to the power of 1/3, or the cube root of 1 at 6x. So what we need to do is set 1 add 6x equal to 1.18 to find the value of x to substitute into our approximation. So 1 add 6x is equal to 1.18. 6x is equal to 0.18. So x is equal to 0.03. So, using our approximation, the cube root of 1.18 is approximately 1 add 2 lots of 0.03 minus 4 lots 0.03 squared. Plug that in and we will get cube root 1.18 is approximately 1.0564. Cool. Okay, then for part C, we are asked to explain why substituting x equals 1/2 into our answer to part A does not lead to a valid approximation to the cube root of 4. So, in the formula booklet, for the formula that we used in part A, we are told that 1 plus x to the power of n is only valid when the absolute value of x is less than 1. So that means then that 1 add 6x to the n is only valid when 6 times the absolute value of x is less than 1. So, the absolute value of x has to be less than 1/6, and 1/2 is greater than 1/6. So, x equals 1/2 is not valid. Cool.